for the development. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Hartsville, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Carthage, Hartsville, South Carthage, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, Dixon Springs and Tucker's Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 72, effective until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Maury and Rutherford. Remember, a tornado